Hello everyone, this is Miss Khulud from Taqwiyah. Hope you are doing great. Today we are going to talk about chemical compounds. But let me ask you first, elements consist of similar or different atoms? Excellent. Consist of similar atoms, while compounds consist of different atoms. So, for example, if I'm going to make an element, I'll choose here like two similar hydrogen atoms, like that. So this is an element. But if I put one hydrogen atom with another chlorine atom, this will be hydrogen chloride compound. Okay. Now you can differentiate between an element and a compound. And today we are going to talk about the types of compounds. Compounds can be classified according to their properties into acids, bases, oxides, and salts. Acids, they are substances which dissociate or dissolve in water, producing positive hydrogen ions. The chemical formula for all the minerals acids begins with hydrogen joined with non-metal elements, like for example, hydrochloric acid, H hydrogen with chlorine atom, or hydrogen with bromine atom, so this will be hydrobromic acid. But if we add hydrogen, and oxygen, this will not be an acid. This will be water. So we can join hydrogen atom with non-metal elements except oxygen. And also we can put hydrogen with one of the negative atomic groups, like for example, sulfuric acid, H2SO4, or nitric acid, HNO3. But we cannot add OH group, as OH plus H is water as well, so it will not be an acid. So again, we can join hydrogen with non-metal elements except oxygen, and we can add hydrogen with the negative atomic group except hydroxide group. Okay. You have to know that the properties of acids are according to the presence of the positive hydrogen ions. Like for example, the taste. The taste of acid is sour taste, like the taste of lemon. Number 2, acids change the color of blue litmus paper into red color. So again, sour taste and litmus paper will turn into red color. Okay, choose. Mona bought a cup of yogurt and found the taste is sour. So she concluded that it contains a compound from salt, bases, acids, or oxides. Excellent, acids, because of the sour taste. Okay, now we are going to talk about bases. They are substances which dissociate or dissolve in water, but will give you negative hydroxide groups or negative hydroxide ions. Okay. The chemical formula for all bases ends with OH negative, like hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, caustic soda, it will be NaOH, and you have to save the chemical formula, of course. Number 2, potassium hydroxide, potassium K, hydroxide OH, so it will be KOH. And finally, calcium hydroxide, or lime water, CaOH2. Okay, what about the properties of bases? The taste first. Their aqueous solutions have a bitter taste and feel slippery like the soap. And all the bases change the color of red litmus paper into blue. So, bases begins with letter B, will turn the litmus paper into blue with another letter B. Okay, another choose. All of the aqueous solution of the following compounds have better taste except sodium hydroxide, sulfuric acid, potassium hydroxide, or calcium hydroxide. Oh, let me think. All of them contain hydroxide, so all of them are bases except sulfuric acid. Excellent. Okay. All of these substances turn litmus paper into blue with letter B, except, okay, NaOH, base, blue, HAOH, base, blue also, CaOH2, another base, HBr. Yes, it will be HBr. So let's summarize the session. Acids, they are substances which dissociate in water, giving you positive hydrogen ions. While bases, they are substances which dissociate in water, giving you negative hydroxide ions. The symbol, all acids, all mineral acids begin with H. Bases, all alkalis ends, not begins. All alkalis end with OH group. The taste of acid is sour, while the taste of base is bitter. The effect of litmus paper in acid turn litmus paper into red, while bases turn litmus paper into blue. And finally, the examples of acid like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, bases like NaOH or CaOH2. Thank you so much for being here. Stay safe, stay happy, and assalamu alaikum.